When performing this exercise, swing your arms back and forth from left to right. As you bring your arms in front of you, make sure that they cross with your thumbs down. As you bring it behind you, make sure your thumbs are up. As you perform this exercise, make sure you go through your pain-free range of motion 5 to 10 times. When performing this exercise, swing both your arms up towards the air, making sure that your thumbs are pointing away from you and your palms are facing each other. As you start to swing downward, make sure your thumbs are still pointing behind you where your palms are facing away from each other. Always make sure that you go through your pain-free range of motion, going about 10 times. Start off with both your arms up and then drop one arm down, making sure that your thumbs are both pointing away from you. As you rotate up, make sure that your palm is facing you, and as you rotate down, make sure your palms are facing away from your body. Make sure you go through your pain-free range of motion. As you execute this exercise, make sure that you go 10 times on each side. To execute this exercise, swing your arm up towards the air. As you reach the top, bend your elbow and use the opposite hand to grab at the elbow and hold that position. Afterwards, let your arm swing down. Make sure your elbow is straight, your thumb is pointing behind you, and your palm facing away from you. As you execute this exercise, go through your pain-free range of motion, doing it about 5 to 10 times on each side. Perform this exercise, keep your arms out towards your side, making small circular motions going in one direction, then the opposite direction. As you start to get comfortable, you can increase the diameter of the circle until you're making nice broad circular motions. Make sure you go through your pain-free range of motion 10 times both directions. To execute this exercise, first start off with both your palms facing up towards the ceiling. Then rotate your palms down towards the floor in a quick rhythmic motion, making sure that you go 10 times one direction, 10 times the opposite direction. To perform this exercise, start off with your elbow extended and your palm facing away from you, wrist extended. Grab with the opposite hand to make sure that your elbow is straight and your wrist is extended. From there, you want to bend your elbow until it's close to your body. From there, flip your forearm the opposite direction so that your palm is facing towards your body and extend your elbow back out. Hold that position for a second, then rotate your wrist the opposite direction, palm facing away from you. Bend the elbow so it's close to your body. Then afterwards, again, rotate your wrist so that your palm is facing towards you and repeat the process 5 to 10 times within your pain-free range of motion, left side and right side.